am going to do an online shopping website only for the students at MIU University, included the information of student registration, which keeps student information and product listing for each product need, and setting transaction, which provide the transaction dating and location, and their data type, which defines the type of data a variable can hold, like char, integer, boolean. These are the data type that we store in our variables. In order to do the website, we should include at the beginning of the program #include IOStream. This is the header file, which controls all the inputs and outputs, like cin, which takes inputs, and cout for printing the answers. We should also include using namespace std to make short names of data type visible, because it contains all the standard names used in the program. In the student registration, we included the student's name, which is the data type is a string, because a string take inputs like letters, and that contains letters. And the student's ID, we included integer, because integer only takes numbers, and student's ID contains number. The student's email is a string, because string also takes the inputs like letters and numbers, and of course email contains letters and numbers. The operator checker is boolean. Boolean takes only two possible values, either true or false, and in the operator checker, he takes the input information, the student's information, and check it with the database of the university to be able to know if this input information is for a student at MIU University. So it only has two possible values, either this information is for the student at the university or no. And the phone number is integer, because it only takes numbers. Product listing and product listing. We included accessories, clothes, books, modern technology gadgets, and its data type is a string, because here we don't only include the items, we also include its shape, size, and for the smartphone, memory. So all of these include letters and numbers. That's why we included the strings. Transaction data. We included the location, which is a string, because it takes letters, and because it includes letters and numbers. Payment is boolean, because it only has two possible answers. Either the payment would be with cash or Visa. The time and date is float. Float is like integer, but the difference is that float only takes include numbers with decimal. Home delivery is boolean also, because it only includes two possible answers, either to be the product home delivered or no. Exchange item is a string, because to be able to, because I could change the product itself, or its color, its shape. Return item is boolean, because I only have two options: to return the item or take it. The inputs is are search bar, which is character, and review product, homepage, settings, help, and feedback are strings.